Hi, this is Christina Morrison coming to you from the International Fastener Expo, and I am over in the Patriot Bolt booth. They're having a lot of fun over here. So I've got Kris Kolb with me. Kris, how's IFE going for you so far?
IFE is fantastic right now. I think this morning we've been busy. All of the guys, we've got 5 guys here, and they have been just constantly dealing with people. So customers have been coming up, new customers, existing customers. It's been a fantastic crowd so far. I think last year was probably one of the busiest seasons that we had seen here, and I think this year is just as busy, if not busier.
Fantastic. Well, we love to hear that. Y'all are definitely making yourself known out here.
Well, I think the outfits probably help, right? And the hats, so yeah. They'll certainly remember us.
Yes, and you've got a big saying back there, all my hexes are made in Texas. So tell us all about Patriot Bolt.
Yeah, so that's a cool little parlay right now that, there's a huge demand for domestic manufacturing, and that's really what we do. We specialize in that. So, there's a lot of tariffs that are involved on these products that are coming from overseas. And, we tend to get around that. We buy domestic material, we machine it in our shop in Humble, Texas, and we specialize in large diameter stuff, specialty alloys, specialty steels, things that people need on a quick turnaround basis. We deliver that, and we never say no, regardless of the volume. Even if it's one piece, we'll quote it. So it's kind of a unique thing. I think there's a lot of people here that are focused on large volume, commodity type material, and they do a great job at it. And we tend to stay in our lane and do things that are a little more custom, a little more special, and like I said, domestic material.
That's great. So what are you hearing from some of your customers, new and maybe potential customers that are coming to the booth? What's everybody talking about this year as they go into the year ahead?
Well, I think, based on what I just said, I think we hear a lot of that people, recognize that those tariffs are still in place and those cost demands are still there. They really appreciate the fact that you can still get some of these products that are made in the U.S. and that we're a local manufacturer and that we sell through various channels. So there's still a real high demand for that. So when people walk by and they see, all my hexes are made in Texas, they know exactly what we're talking about. That, they don't necessarily have to wait for a slow boat from overseas. They can, call us in Humble, Texas, and we can make anything they want. They can send us a drawing, they can draw it on a napkin, they can send us a part, and we can reverse engineer it. But yeah, we've got several options. We're very, very easy to work with, so we'd welcome anybody to come work with us.
All right, great. Well, Kris, I'm going to let you get back to it because I know y'all have been busy over here. If there's anybody who's watching at home that wasn't able to make it out to the show and they want to connect with you, how can they do that?
You can reach our website. It's probably the best way. You can, even enter a quote on that and we'll get it. It goes to our entire sales team. So, we're very good on responses and quick responses. So you can enter an inquiry there. You can, it'll have all of our contact information. It's at patriotbolt.com. We also do a podcast every week called Bolts and Hose. We've got a hose company as well in Louisiana. So, so we'll focus on those things, but you can catch us on YouTube or patriotbolt.com.
Perfect. All right, Kris, have a great time. Thank you so much for watching, and continue to stay tuned for more from the International Fastener Expo.